first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to create a background image, and you can use images that you upload into Canva, or you can use Canva stock images. I'm just going to use stock images for the purpose of this tutorial. Now I'm currently using the free version of Canva, so I won't have access to all of the photos. So I'm just going to search conference. Now where you see the crown, these crowns on the images, that means that you can only use these items or images or whatever if you have a pro account. So I'm going to select a free image, and I'm going to set this as the background, and I'm going to crop it to remove the lady from the photo, because with the lady being seen, it more looks like praise and worship. Now I'm just going to create an overlay, and I'm going to turn the transparency down to 59. Perfect. And I'm just going to lock this while I'm at it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create another border, like that, and I'm going to change the color to yellow. Perfect. I'm just going to tie. I'm going to put this somewhere right here, ensure that it is in the center. Yes, I can turn the transparency down a little, and I'm going to change the color to white. Awesome. And sorry, I'm going to type business conference, and I'm just going to put this in black, and I'm also going to change the font to monster bold and put it in italics. I'm also going to increase the size because we want that visible. I'm going to put this as about a 54.2. Okay. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this up some more. I think that's perfect. And I'm going to add an effect to business conference. I'm going to create a shadow, and I'm going to change the color to white. I think that's fine for now. Awesome. Now I'm just going to create a line. I love adding lines to designs, and I'm going to turn this down to 3. Awesome. And I'm just going to put it right here. Oops, I'm going to change the color to black. And I'm just going to duplicate it and bring it over on the other side. Perfect.